Hey everyone, welcome back to the By Reviews channel. Today, we're taking a close look at the Beats Studio Pro, the latest flagship headphones from Beats, promising powerful sound, active noise cancellation, and seamless integration with Apple devices. But are they really worth the premium price tag, or is it just more style than substance? I've spent the past week testing them in real-world conditions, from daily commutes to studio sessions, and today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know. The Beats Powerbeats Pro 2 wireless Bluetooth earbuds offers a well-rounded, informative look at one of the most sought-after audio products for active users and audiophiles alike. From the start, the production quality stands out. The clean visuals, thoughtful B-roll of the earbuds in different lighting and usage scenarios, and clear voiceover narration give the review a polished, trustworthy feel. What makes your video particularly effective is the balance between technical insights and user-friendly language. You break down complex specs like battery life, audio driver size, and connectivity performance in a way that feels accessible without dumbing it down. The mention of the Apple H1 chip and its real-world impact on connection stability and latency was particularly useful, especially for viewers in the Apple ecosystem who are weighing compatibility. Your hands-on impressions carry weight because you don't shy away from both the pros and cons. Highlighting the comfortable earhook design and secure fit is essential for the Powerbeats Pro 2's target audience, fitness enthusiasts and runners. Your comparison between the original Powerbeats Pro and the newer version shows that you've taken the time to assess improvements, such as better passive noise isolation and more intuitive touch controls. However, what really elevated the review was your emphasis on usability in real life, demonstrating how they perform during workouts, calls, and even casual listening added a dynamic layer to the review. Your testing of call quality, latency for videos, and the earbuds' behavior when switching between devices shows depth and a reviewer who cares about how people actually use the product. The inclusion of battery stats, like 9 hours of use and up to 24 hours with a case, alongside a quick visual of the charging case, was smart and efficient. It gave viewers the information they needed without bogging down the pacing. You also rightly pointed out the downside of the case being bulky, an issue many reviewers gloss over. One area where the video could be improved is in the sound quality demonstration. While you rightly mentioned that it's hard to portray true audio over video, offering a sound signature breakdown, e.g. bass heavy, V-shaped, etc., with a visual EQ curve might help viewers better imagine the audio profile. A quick comparison with similar earbuds in the same price range, like the Sony WF-SP800N or the Jabra Elite Active 75T, could have given more context for buyers. In summary, this is an excellent review that covers nearly all aspects a viewer would care about when considering the Powerbeats Pro 2. The clarity, honesty, and structure make it ideal for both casual buyers and tech enthusiasts. With just a few tweaks to expand comparison and audio explanation, your content is ready to compete at the top of the tech review space. Subscribe, like, and share